During the reign of the Yellow Emperor, phoenix was used as chicken. In traditional Chinese culture, the image of the phoenix is derived from the rooster. It is one of the 12 zodiac signs. Roosters crow at sunrise, with the beautiful symbolic significance of bringing light and warding off evil spirits. With the passage of time and the successive progress from generation to generation, chickens have gradually integrated into the lives of ordinary people, becoming one of the most common domestic poultry reared by people, which has given rise to plenty of culinary delights. Today, I'll be introducing you to a traditional Chinese dish, mouth-watering chicken. Wash the chicken with water. Cut the green onion into 4 cm long sections and the ginger into slices, then set aside. Fill the pot with water. Add in the washed chicken. Next, add the dried tangerine peel, star anise, cooking wine, ginger slices, and green onion. Bring to a boil over high heat for about 5 minutes. Simmer on low heat for 40 minutes. Then remove the chicken and run it through ice water. This will make the skin of the chicken crispy and smooth. Scoop the chicken broth into a bowl and set aside. Gently wipe the water off the surface of the chicken. Chop the chicken neck. Slice the chicken in half down the middle of its back. Cut into small pieces and place on the plate. Then, start making the sauce. Add a spoonful of chicken broth to the diluted sesame sauce. Stir well. Chop the garlic and green onion. Place them in a separate heat-resistant bowl and set aside. Add the chili powder, white sesame seeds, and Sichuan pepper to the chopped garlic. Pour some oil into a pan, allowing the oil to heat up to approximately 190 degrees centigrade to 240 degrees centigrade. Drizzle the hot oil evenly over the chopped garlic. Add the black vinegar, sesame oil, chili oil, soy sauce, sugar, and salt. Once the 2 types of sauces are ready, finally, along the sides of the chicken, add the seasoned peanut sauce, followed by the delicious chili oil sauce. Sprinkle with crushed peanuts to enhance the flavor, and chopped scallions to garnish. The famous mouth-watering chicken is now done. Guo Moruo mentions in his literary piece, Tianbo Ju, when I was young, I had poached chicken in my hometown in Sichuan. The white chunks of meat were paired with crimson red chili oil and peppers. Just thinking about it makes my mouth water. And that's how the word mouth-watering came about. It has also become a delicacy that is well known across 3,000 miles in Sichuan. Common, yet elegant. The purest form of authenticity is simplicity. It is also the essence of truth in a simple meal.